Basic Grammar Day 2 here. Again, the big thing to remember is that we are starting this week looking for main clauses and dependent clauses. Remember that another name for main clause is an independent clause. In other words, it can be a sentence all on its own. It's going to have a subject, a verb. It's going to express a complete thought, whereas a dependent clause will have a subject and a verb, but it won't express a complete thought, usually because of the first word that comes in the clause. If we would take away that first word, it could be a complete thought. Remember, there's a difference between clauses and phrases. You know about prepositional phrases, they usually have a noun in them, which could be a subject, but they don't have a verb. We'll learn about other types of phrases later this year too. So let's take a look at day 2 here and see what we've got. His youngest daughter. Now there was another topic, so we'll just eliminate these here. That brought red to his face. So there's a thought, that, and then a period. So his youngest daughter. Now there was another topic. Okay, so that's going to be the main clause because that's my subject and that's my verb. And I'll close it up there. And then now here I've got a that. That's the subject and the verb over here. And this would be the main clause. This would be the dependent clause. For the next one, another strategy in finding main clauses and dependent clauses is to first find the subjects and the verbs. That's why we actually started in week 1 finding the subjects and the verbs. So the next sentence, unlike her only sister Princess, Dorinda had been an obstinate child from her toddlerhood. So subject, had been is going to be the verb. Now, unlike her only sister, that's going to be a prepositional phrase, so that's not going to be part of the main clause. And I should put a comma there. And so this is going to be the start of the main clause. Princess Dorinda had been an obstinate, so this is really the subject too, because that's part of her name, had been an obstinate child from toddlerhood. So I'll put that there, and I'll add a period here as well. So that's another main clause for this sentence. No dependent clause in that one. Now, if we go back to the story, unlike her only sister, so that means there's just two. I can't use youngest, I have to use younger. Capitalize the first word here. Am I starting a new idea here? Here it was talking about texting and not being able to locate it. Now there was another topic, so we are starting, it seems like another topic. So I'm going to start a new paragraph there. Got that, that's good. We've chosen which there. Topic. Here's a prepositional phrase, to his face. Okay, we've got a period there at the end, so we're good there. We should capitalize this as the first letter of a new sentence. I put the comma in there. I should put a caret there to make sure I see that. And then capitalize Princess Dorinda. I've been an obstinate child from toddlerhood. It's going to be our prepositional phrase. So those are the corrections that you should make for day 2. And obstinate obviously is someone who's stubborn. Maybe we might say inflexible. Make sure you put that in your own sheets in the vocab section. I'm just writing it here so that we'll keep it all in one place for you guys. All right. We'll slowly figure out the main clauses and dependent clauses. Don't worry if you're getting them wrong here at the beginning. We're going to be going over plenty of them. So it's really a slow concept that we'll slowly master throughout the next few weeks.